New York. Right, I'm just under the bonnet of this Escort here, and I'm just looking at this fuel system. That's about the first thing I'll sort. It's got a plate. The original fuel pump's been removed. There's a plate over it where an electric pump been bolted on, and then further round there there's a filter, and that goes down onto the fuel lines, and they're all loose, and that's old type, fabric type fuel line, I think. Aye, so I'll change all them, and I'll run it up the ramps, I'll clip it on, the fuel line's on for underneath, and then I'll remove this airbox, it's just sitting off. I'll get rid of that because I'm not going to use any of that. That'll be the first job. Take that off, spin it round a bit, I'll get it round the back though, get up the ramps, sort the fuel lines out, get a fuel pump for it I think, and a nice lighter. Yeah, I think so. I'll get under it and check all the fuel lines front to back anyway, check the whole thing out. But aye, thought I better give the Escort a start up so in case it's feeling left out there. It's been over a week since I started it, so straight here I'll give the Fiesta a wee start. Escort's running there. Not long does it. Turn this Fiesta round, my father's going to do that in a minute. We'll turn the pickup round. Right, Vinny here is just going to spin this Bantam round for me. You've plenty of revs, just feather it, just go for it. Spin it round before I put it in the back garden so it's reversed on. Shit, it must have been in the way. Duh. Hard. Me. I felt the exhaust rubbing on my leg there, I was standing on the road. It's just a way to go and turn the Fiesta on the trailer. There it is. And we've 2 Escorts. This is just part in the Bantam, now that I've got my picture with the 3 motors on it. Right. Let's see if this wee truck will start from cold. So that's locked because I locked it. Get the locks and oh, good lube. Isn't he choking this because it's African? It's on. Starts no bother. I will need to fettle the carburetor. I think it's quite a good engine, this thing. Yeah, room in the back. A wee truck. I'm going to move it down onto the grass well, and blow out all the dust that's in the wheel tubs. You must be allowed to bring them in here with dirt. Dirt on them in different standards to Australia, certainly. I know that anyway. Aye. Right. I think he's just going to shift the pickup onto the grass. And I'm going to get the compressor fired up and blow out all the wheel arches and stuff. It's not mega dirt, it's just dust there. Ah, it's good. Right, I've come out because it's raining and I'm going to have to move this Bantam back a bit because the bed's filling up with water. Welcome to Scotland. Welcome to Scotland, I'm like, okay, I'll get a temporary cover made for this, but I'll get it in the carport, but until I get to do that, if I push it back a bit, I've moved the brakes back because I don't know what the handbrake's like. Just need to straighten up the wheel. Got armed it. Straighten up the wheel, push it back just so that's water runs it. This car back a tiny wee bit so it's on the slope. Let's try and get the water run out the bed. Don't hit the post though. back a bit yet. I've moved the brakes back, so I don't know what the handbrake's like. Oh, getting the water to run at the back of this now. Have to bring it right back. There's the handle again. I'll open this down. That's been in the middle, I can't even mind. It is. Let's get this water out of this. That's naked. Nice to it. Right. Yeah, I moved that wee truck back a bit. All the water's at the bed now. When it was in its former life in South Africa, it had a canopy on it, but I'll need to get something temporary anyway, until I get something proper. But I'll be fine like that. I'll put the handbrake on. So I will. It's like Hilux, eh? It's that's cool. Day morning. Let's do this pickup. I've got the compressor charged up, the airline reeled out, so I'm just going to blow out some of this dust that's in these wheel tubs at the back. Well, we're doing the whole thing, but and then I'll get it shifted into the back garden. The air and that's not come on, that compressor. Right, I'm just round at this other side and this bit blowing. I've got a brush here to wipe this dirt off. The Aussies would have had a fit if this had come in landed. They got a hang of it, that invasive species or some nonsense. But you don't want about that coming into Scotland anyway. I'll just keep doing this. I've done it along the back, I've done the other side at the back. Blow it off and give it a quick dick with this and get another blow. And I'll work my way around the front. Right, I've been all the way around the Bantam pickup with the airline or the wheel tubs. Yeah, that was going into Australia about, mate, you need to pay $5 million to get this washed. No, here. Just looking at the front panel here. It's pretty good, like. It would actually be wrong to drill that to put a spoiler on there, do you know that? Different than an old 700 Fiesta that nobody wanted, but no, I'll get these cavities pumped for this stuff. I don't think I'll be drilling that at the moment. I've been looking on eBay at mad stuff, bumpers and hella front spoilers, and need to behave myself, you know. Just leave it alone. Aye. Sweep out the back, I suppose, and catch it all. There's still sand and stuff in the back, but screws and things, so I don't want to put it on the floor, but that's what I'll do. I'll get my brush. I'll let the tailgate in, and I'll get a dustpan and sweep out this. And a dustpan. The pals just here, he just came in at the right moment. I just lifted the gate off, and so you can just reverse this pickup into the back garden. Swept all the slabs, I've been tidying up, making room for it. Get into the carport, stop the back filling up the water, then Job done.